whether your Alipay and 1688 has been fully connected, or you don't know how to connect your 1688 and your Alipay for easy payment to any Chinese supplier on 1688. Consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to find out if your Alipay has been fully connected or linked with your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, pinduoduo, Taoba, Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to check if your 1688 Chinese shopping app is actually linked with your Alipay. And if it's not been linked, how you can simply link your 1688 with your Alipay. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688. Having opened up your 1688, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon right here. So click on that. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here where you see Alipay icon. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. That's going to take you right here. So by default, as you can see right here, my Alipay has been fully linked with my 1688, and you can see my Alipay account number right here. So in some cases, if your own is not like this, it simply means that your Alipay has not been fully linked with your 1688. So what you need to do is to simply click on here and follow the prompt in order to connect and link your 1688 Chinese shopping app with your Alipay. But if you have it this way, make sure you leave it right here. It simply means that your account has been fully linked with 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation using 1688 and Alipay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.